I'm Lucas. I'm your lofter, aka home checker. Today we're visiting World Scholar House. It's at Xiaonanmen MRT, which is 2 stations away from Taipei Main Station, which is the center of Taipei, of course. And there are 12 rooms, but it's a very big property and 4 bathrooms. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is where it is, the property is. It's a very cool place. It's the street, and that direction is the Xiaonanmen MRT, which is, I believe, is in 2 stations from the Ximen MRT and 3 stations away from Taipei Main Station, which is very center. And here is the National Immigration Agency. And here's 7-Eleven. Okay, the property is very hidden. It's located on the 2nd floor of this coffee shop. So the 1st floor is a coffee shop, and the 2nd floor there is also a restaurant, and also where the property, the hostel is. So this is the one part of the restaurant. Yeah. And this is the other part of the restaurant. There's a very good vibe here. And there's some more dining table there. Okay. Let's start from the common area. There's a clock, a coffee table and chair, an iron, and you can use your laptop here, and a fridge, and freezer. And here's where you can, here's the kitchen, open kitchen, a small one. You can use the electricity stove and the water fountain here, sink. Yeah, there's a laundry machine and a dryer right here. Okay, and there's trash bin and recycle, and here is the bathrooms, number 1, number 2, and number 3. So the bathrooms, let's see. There's a shower, a sink, and a toilet, and there's a fan and a window, a shelf, and a trash bin. Okay. Bathroom number 2 is pretty similar. A shower head, a toilet, and a sink, and a window, and the fan. Yeah, let's try this. Nice. And the 3rd bathroom. There's it's for men. There's shelf and the shower head right here. Okay, and a sink and a mirror, also a window. Okay. let's check out the rooms. So they are all private bedrooms. There are some more rooms here, and here is the fourth bathroom at the end of this pathway. Okay, this one is a dry bathroom. There's a separation and a fan, toilet, sink, and a shower, a mirror. Very clean, nice and clean. Okay, from this angle, let's check out room number 7. Room number 7. It is there are 2 single beds, but it is a private room. You don't need to share with anyone. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's a mirror and an open closet, some shelf here, and there's a big balcony and a desk and chair, drawers, and a hair dryer, and there's a split AC and a fan. So there are 2 single bedrooms. Okay. It is the best for sisters or brothers or good friends who come to Taiwan, Taipei, together. Okay, the balcony is a common one. It's a big one where you can hang your clothes. But this door goes to the room next door. So this is the view from here. The 7-Eleven, and right over there is the MRT, very close by. Very big balcony, very good. Okay. And there's also curtains. If you want some privacy, just use the curtain. Okay. Okay, so we're now seeing room number 10. Okay, so this is room 10. When you walk in, is the view of the room. So there's a closet when you walk in on your left hand side, and a mirror. Okay. Some drawer. And there's a desk and chair, and a hair dryer, and a split AC, a single bed. It's a very clean, quiet bedroom, and some more little table for you to put your stuff, and a fan. Okay. From this angle.